Hi, my name is Ben Stahl, and you're watching Leeb's MarketForecast.com for Thursday, October 11th, 2012. The markets have greeted the recent data surrounding the U.S. job market with skepticism. Indeed, the headline numbers are improving, but reports still exist and tell us that our labor market still has a long way to go before we can really call it healthy. Last week, the unemployment number did unexpectedly drop to 7.8 from 8.1%. However, there are a few caveats with this. First, private payrolls data only increased by 104,000 jobs for the month. Normally, population growth requires 120 to 130,000 new jobs each month, and we're not really experiencing a full recovery until this number is above 200,000 jobs a month consistently. Therefore, this number of 104,000 really isn't that great and wouldn't explain the large drop in unemployment rate. On the other hand, some solid good news that we did see was the initial jobless claims is now at 339,000, a drop of 30,000 from last week and well below economists' expectations. For the past 3 years, we've comfortably been seeing a long trend of decreasing initial jobless claims, which should at least say at the very minimum that things aren't getting better and are in fact improving. As we enter into our next stage now, we're going to stop looking at jobs numbers so much as we're going to start looking at earnings report. This week, Alcoa was the first company to report, and its earnings numbers were okay, nothing great, nothing that horrible. This quarter is actually going to be really interesting. For the first time since 2009, companies are expecting to have a decline in earnings year over year and quarter over quarter. But at the same time, for the fourth quarter of the year, companies are currently projecting to have year-over-year increases in sales. That means from the third quarter to the fourth quarter, companies really believe that the economy is going to accelerate and be able to show that increase in sales that wasn't there in the third quarter. Whether this actually happens or not is a different question, but it's going to be really important to listen to what management says for the fourth quarter expectations. In fact, I believe it will be almost more important than what they actually report. That's all for now, and tune in next week for more. This is Ben Stahl at Leeb's Market Forecast.